Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your console game account and your behavior DBD account use the same email. This avoids duplicate profiles and lost progress. Once done, on your console open account or privacy settings and enable external platform linking, then switch to the PC and launch Dead by Daylight. Make sure to sign into your behavior account inside the PC client. This authenticates the connection and lets you proceed to the in-game linking flow without recreating characters. You will see account linking in the PC menu. Select it and choose the console platform you used. The game generates a short code or a link confirmation prompt. On your console, accept the authorization or enter the code shown on PC. This step syncs licenses, cosmetics, and progress where permitted. Once you confirm, the systems exchange tokens. Make sure both devices stay online until you receive success confirmation, because interruption can leave the link incomplete and require restarting the flow. You finish by verifying your characters, items, and currencies show on PC. Inspect your vault and loadout screens to confirm. If something is missing, quit and relaunch the game, then wait 10 to 15 minutes for backend sync. Sometimes assets appear after a short delay. If issues persist, unlink on either platform and repeat the linking flow, because a fresh authorization often resolves token mismatches. Troubleshooting tip: if linking fails repeatedly, capture error messages and contact behavior support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.